Building your dream website. Easy as pie. Hey there, folks. Want a website? Used to be tough, but not anymore. Tons of platforms make it a breeze. Whether you're selling homemade crafts or sharing your cat's adventures, don't judge. There's a perfect platform out there. We're going to chat about two big names, Wix and Namecheap. They make website building easy peasy, even if you're tech challenged. We'll break down their pros and cons, like comparing apple pie to cherry pie. Both are delicious, but you gotta pick your favorite. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive in. By the end, you'll know which platform is your website's best friend. Ready? Let's go! First up, let's meet our contenders in the world of website building. Wix is like that friendly neighbor who always lends a helping hand, making sure you have everything you need to get started. It's known for being super easy to use, even if you've never built a website before. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, you can create stunning websites without any coding knowledge. Then there's Namecheap, the budget-savvy pal who knows how to stretch a dollar. They offer affordable solutions for those who want to get online without spending a fortune. They're famous for, well, cheap domain names, but they also offer website building tools that won't break the bank. You can find a variety of features that cater to both beginners and advanced users. Think of it like this. Wix is like building with Legos, colorful, fun, and you can snap things together without breaking a sweat. It's perfect for those who want a quick and visually appealing website. Namecheap is more like building with blocks, a bit more hands-on, but you have more control over the final result. It's ideal for those who want to customize every aspect of their site. Both get the job done. It just depends on your style and what you need your website to do. Whether you prefer the simplicity of Wix or the flexibility of Namecheap, both platforms offer great options for creating your online presence. Wix is all about simplicity. It's designed to make your life easier, especially if you're not a tech wizard. Imagine decorating a cake. You pick the frosting, sprinkles, and candles, and Wix lays it all out for you. It's that straightforward and fun. You just drag and drop elements like text, images, and videos, and voila, you've got a website. No coding required, just your creativity. Over 200 million folks use Wix. That's a massive community of creators, entrepreneurs, and dreamers. That's a whole lot of websites, each one unique, showcasing the diverse talents and ideas of people from all over the world. They've got over 800 templates to choose from, so whether you're building a photography portfolio, an online store, or even a blog, Wix has got you covered. The variety ensures there's something for everyone. They even have cool features like built-in SEO tools to help people find your website on Google. This means more visibility and more visitors to your site. Plus, they offer 24/7 customer support, so if you get stuck, help is just a phone call or email away. Their team is always ready to assist you with any questions or issues. Wix is like that friend who's always got your back, making sure your website looks sharp and runs smoothly. With Wix, you can focus on what you love while they handle the technical stuff. Now let's talk about Namecheap. This company has been around for a while, and they've built a reputation for being both affordable and reliable. They're all about giving you the tools you need at a price that won't make you want to cry. Whether you're a small business owner or just someone looking to start a personal blog, Namecheap has got you covered. They started out selling, you guessed it, domain names, and they're still darn good at it. In fact, they offer some of the most competitive prices in the market. But they've also got this nifty website builder called shared hosting. It's designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're not a tech wizard, you can still create a professional-looking site. It's not as flashy as Wix, but it gets the job done. You might not get all the glitz and glamour, but you get a solid foundation to build your online presence. It's like building a birdhouse. You gotta put in a little more effort, but you get a sturdy, reliable website that won't cost you an arm and a leg. Plus, the sense of accomplishment you get from doing it yourself is priceless. Namecheap also gives you more control over your website's backend, which tech-savvy folks might appreciate. You can tweak settings to your heart's content and make sure everything runs smoothly. Plus, their customer support is top-notch, so you can always get help if you need it. Whether it's a minor hiccup or a major issue, their team is there to assist you every step of the way. They might not have all the bells and whistles of Wix, but for a simple, affordable website, Namecheap is a solid choice. If you're looking for a dependable service that won't break the bank, Namecheap is definitely worth considering.